Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, we'll search about PixelFlow and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. In this page of storage, we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.